In this video, I'll guide you through the process of deleting your Nintendo Switch account. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. You might want to delete a Nintendo Switch account to protect personal information or free up space for a new account. It could also be necessary if you no longer use the console or want to reset your gaming progress. If you want to delete your Nintendo Switch account, the process is straightforward but requires careful attention. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Nintendo Switch account login page. To do this, type www.accounts.nintendo.com/login in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, click on the first link that appears in the search results, which will direct you to the Nintendo account login page. After signing in, you will see your account dashboard, where your name and profile picture are displayed at the top right corner. From here, locate the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the page and scroll down slightly to find the Privacy and Other Settings option. Click on it, and a new window will open, providing various account settings. Scroll down again, and at the bottom of the page, you will find an option labeled Delete Account. Selecting this option will take you to a detailed page explaining the implications of account deletion, including the potential loss of data and access to services. If you are certain about deleting your account, scroll further down this page and click the button labeled Deactivate and Delete. Following this, your Nintendo account will be permanently deleted. Ensure you have reviewed all information and implications before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.